That's going sweet team. How's it going?
Hello, sir.
So we having the same issue as last time?
No, the thermostat won't.
Different?
Yeah, the thermostat. I put some new batteries in it,
Uh-huh.
but it won't let me turn the heat up at all.
Oh, okay. I'll just go ahead and pop one in there, pop a new one in, and then make sure we don't have any other issues. Yeah.
Oh, just a new thermostat.
Yeah, I'll just go ahead and put a new one in there. It'll be a little bit easier to use too. I'm just gonna verify that this one is actually bad.
Kobe Jack. Come here. There you go. Kobe Jack, he doesn't need your help. Come
His
here.
name Colby Jack.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Come here. He looked like a brick of cheese when we got him.
Oh, really?
Hey, come here. What? It's okay.
There it goes.
Thank you. Gooby. Get you. Get you, Gooby.
What temperature do you usually leave this at?
About 70.
Okay. All right, well, you should be good to go. Be nice and toasty tonight.
Is that pretty user-friendly?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's very easy. So it is programmable if you wanted to, but I just have it set to 70 hot and cold. So there's just an auto on for your fan, heat off and cool.
Oh, okay.
And then if you just want to bump it up, just, you don't have to hold anything down like the other one.
Just bump it up.
Yep.
Perfect.
So it's very easy to use.
All right. Thanks, Dave.
Yeah, no problem. Hope you have a good rest of the day.
You too.
We'll see you, hopefully not too soon.
Not too soon. Here, let me get that for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My hand's full here. All right, take care.
See you later.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave it a like, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.